For years, industrial SLS 3D printing has felt like an exclusive club. If you wanted the big machines, the fast machines, the machines that could pump out real production parts by the thousands, you needed a serious budget. We're talking prices that could easily climb into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. And then Formlabs showed up with something that might shake up the entire industry. This is the Fuse X1. And honestly, this thing is not just a bigger version of the original Fuse. It's a completely different animal. The first thing that grabs your attention is the size. The Fuse X1 has a massive build volume of 330 by 330 by 565 millimeters. That means parts that once had to be split into multiple sections can now be printed as a single piece. Large housings, industrial components, production tooling, you can fit a lot inside this machine. But here's what makes it really interesting. Most people think bigger automatically means slower. Not here. Formlabs says the Fuse X1 can deliver up to 3 times the throughput of competing systems. And because SLS printing doesn't require support structures, you can pack the build chamber with parts from top to bottom. Imagine finishing thousands of end-use components in just a few days instead of waiting weeks. That's a huge deal. Now let's talk about cost, because this is where things get really uncomfortable for the competition. Traditional industrial SLS and MJF systems can be incredibly expensive to buy and operate. The Fuse X1 was designed to cut part costs dramatically. Formlabs claims up to 50% lower cost per part compared to many legacy systems. Think about that for a second. Lower machine cost, lower operating cost, more parts per build. That's exactly the combination manufacturers have been asking for. And then there's the setup. Normally, bringing an industrial machine into a facility can turn into a full-blown project. Electrical upgrades, floor space planning, installation headaches. The Fuse X1 takes a different approach. It runs on standard single-phase power, installs quickly, and can be up and running far faster than most industrial systems. Print changeovers take just minutes, and the workflow is designed so you don't need a dedicated operator standing next to the machine all day. That's a big shift from the old-school way of doing things, but one feature might be the most important of all. The Fuse X1 uses AI-powered print intelligence. Basically, the system continuously monitors the print process and looks for potential issues before they become expensive failures. Because, let's be honest, nobody wants to discover a problem after waiting hours for a build to finish. The goal is simple: more successful prints, less downtime, and fewer surprises. So what are we looking at here? A machine with a giant build volume, a powerful 120-watt laser, industrial-grade production capability, lower costs, faster output, and a workflow designed to make advanced manufacturing accessible to more businesses than ever before. That's why so many people are calling the Fuse X1 a giant killer. Not because it's trying to be another industrial SLS printer, but because it's challenging the idea that industrial SLS printing has to be complicated, expensive, and out of reach. And if Formlabs delivers on everything this machine promises, the impact could be felt across the entire manufacturing world. The question is no longer whether industrial SLS is powerful. The question is who can afford to ignore the Fuse X1? And that might be the most exciting part of all.